Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. This is Keep On Fishing. Thanks for coming along. We are going fishing. It is oh, looks like there's a Coast Guard boat out there. It's massive. It is the end of January and I was out on the kayak yesterday. Nice fish. Some fish, and the bite was slow on the kayak, unfortunately. Caught something on the jig, yeah, I'm kind of gonna take Rosie out today. We've got some time this afternoon and got the striker all ready to go here. Just gonna walk over. Very slippery. Make sure everything's good, and gonna try out this. My dad gave me this antique fishing rod. Pretty awesome, and I put an old school Daiwa fishing reel on here, so this thing is like amazing. It is super whippy and I'm excited to try it out. I love looking at old fishing gear in some of these antique stores because some of it actually, like, it still works. So you know, I've got my expensive rod that I have, but let's try out this antique thing, and like I said, I matched it with this really old school looking reel, and let's give it a try. Hopefully it catches us some fish. Let's go. Rosie, come on. Hello. Patiently waiting for your fish. First fish on the vintage rod, guys. I was just like dropping the line. I wasn't even ready yet. Yep. Still there? Yep, still there. You still there, Rosie? Here he comes. Yeah, he's a small one, but we got it on the new rod, or on the old rod. On the no bananas. Oh, these pliers are so rusty. I can't even take them apart. There he goes. Okay. Woo! Rosie, we got one on the board with the antique rod. Look at that. Haha. Right on. Super stoked. Beautiful fish. All right. Not complaining. Okay, here we go. Come on. Woohoo! Okay, Rosie, we're on. Oh. Oh no. getting another juvenile. Oh. Beauty. Just get a little closer. Oh. We were gonna go in, but the bite kind of turned on here. Okay. Man, this spoon is just getting beat up. Oh yeah, he's too small. There he goes. Okay. Well, what ended up happening is my downrigger, I lost the gear. I lost my ball, so we've just been using this lake troller tonight, and at really shallow, like it's probably only going at like 80 feet, but the fish are biting right now. We got 2 right away at that depth, so we're starting to make our way back to the launch, but we might as well keep fishing on our way back. So yeah, woo. Oh, another one, Rosie. Oh, the bite is on, guys. Oh. Beauty. Get him. Another undersized. We seem to be into them. We're just kind of like going by the park here, but there you go. That's another Judy. Yeah, he'll be too small, Rosie. Whoa, he is feisty though. Yeah. Okay, pal. Oh, he's actually. You know what? Let's measure him. Let's measure him, Rosie. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Oh. Look at that. He's 23. They're getting close. Oh, off he goes. Woo! Wow. Okay. I said we were only going to do one more, but we're really only going to do one more. We can't even get back to the launch without getting a hit, so this is awesome. Okay, one more fish, Rosie. One more. Come on. Let it be a keeper. Let it be a keeper. Wow. Yeah. Okay, Rosie. Feels decent. Oh boy. Oh, the vintage rod. Oh, I think I lost it. Oh, I might have lost him, guys. Yeah. Oh, I lost it. Darn. Alright guys, well that's it. We no luck on that final pass. It is getting dark out and Rosie's cold and I'm getting hungry. So we're gonna head in. Thanks for joining us on the water. Yeah, a lot of fun. Things happen. We lost that, our downrigger went down, but we had our backup lake troller, thank goodness. The classic rod worked. I was really kind of hoping that we can use it more, but the line got all tangled up when I lost my ball. I don't know what happened there. The line just kind of snapped, but it is what it is. That's part of fishing, and I got to go get some new equipment. So we will see you guys on the next episode, and hopefully I'll have some time on the kayak. Keep on fishing, guys.